My name is Srimoy Bora and I am studying in NSHM Knowledge Campus and doing a course in BSc Culinary Science. I am a final year student and we recently had our Maggi event. It was a cooking competition and we learned a lot about different pastas and Maggis, how to use them differently in different items, and it was quite a great experience with Nestle and E-Maggi.
I'm Taputi, I'm from Nestle. We have organized here a non-fire cooking competition. Keep coming back here because we like the ambience, we like the atmosphere, the hospitality and the enthusiasm of the students. We also get a lot of cooperation from the college, and the enthusiasm of the students was also very good. They prepared lovely dishes. So we would always like to come back again and again, and I hope the students enjoyed the session. Thank you for giving us the opportunity to come here.